Mm. Greetings and welcome to Cooking with Squirrel. Today we're going to do something I've never done on the channel before. We're going to make some cocktails. Well, this will be one of a couple in a series. This drink is called Rosemary Strawberry, and it was created for a work function. People found out that I used to bartend a little bit. I'm not a mixologist by any means, but I can throw some flavors together that taste good. I was requested to create a couple drinks and demo them. Rosemary Strawberry is going to have some, we're going to use Jack Daniels today. You can use any bourbon or bourbon-like or anything in the same kind of vein as Jack Daniels or Tennessee whiskey. Rosemary simple syrup. I'm not going to show you how to make that today, but the recipe will be down below. Lemon juice, seltzer water, some muddled strawberries, and then we're going to garnish with some more fresh rosemary and a halved strawberry. Let's get into the drink. The first thing we're going to do is prep our strawberries. So my favorite trick for hulling strawberries is actually to use one of the old school metal melon ballers and use the small side if it's smaller ones, bigger side if it's really big strawberries. You just kind of get under your cap and you just kind of core that out right there. So we'll throw that over to the sink where it will get composted later. Take the prettiest of these, which is going to be this nice big one here. We're going to slice that in half and then prep it for the rim. That one will go for a chef snack for later. And these other two we will quarter. All right, so we're going to take our tall glass, aka Collins glass. We're going to drop in our, well, we're going to drop our strawberries nearly on the ground. Caught them all. All right, we're going to grab our muddler and we're going to muddle this really well. So we're going to mash these up really well. The end result of this drink is if you mash these up really well, you kind of get a boba tea, aka bubble tea kind of vibe out of this because you can actually suck the strawberry pieces up through the straw. And so you get a little bit of alcohol and a little bit of fruit chew. There we go, nicely muddled. And now we're going to take our glass and we're going to fill with ice. All the way to the tippy top. All right, then we're going to take another mixing container. Could just be a regular glass, but we're going to use this container here, and we're going to get our bourbon, well, not bourbon, Jack Daniels. And we're going to go 2 ounces of Jack Daniels. Go 2 ounces. Then 1 ounce of our rosemary simple syrup. This stuff smells fantastic. So I highly suggest you make it. You can use it for other things. You can make lemonade out of it. You can make other alcoholic drinks out of it. It is really tasty. And then our freshly squozen lemon juice. Another ounce of that. And we're going to take our bar spoon, give that a little mix. We'll come back to this bar spoon in a second. We're going to go in with our alcohol. We're going to top off with our seltzer water. Top that off. Now it looks kind of pretty right now, but it will be better, taste better, and be prettier if we give it a mix. So I'm going to go in, kind of pull that strawberry up and through. And get an ejection of a little ice cube there. We'll get him back in. Take our strawberry right on our rim there. Nice, pretty drink. Pop in our straw. That's our drink. It is super refreshing, really fruity. You get a little bit of the, the fresh herb flavor and the, the sweetness and the herbiness from the rosemary in it. I'm going to give it a taste because how could I not? This is one of those dangerous drinks. You can still taste the flavor of the whiskey in it, but it's so refreshing and it's so fun to drink. So much fun to drink. Yeah, give this one a shot. Rosemary Strawberry. Do me a favor and go out and do something nice for somebody else. Pay forward any goodness in your life. And thanks for stopping by.